everyone. Welcome to another round of Chai and Coaching. Got Raviraj, Rugved, Akshay here, some friends again. We'll let them introduce themselves, and we're going to talk about packing and luggage in preparation for coming to America. So go ahead and introduce your guys selves again, and we'll have some fun.
Yeah. Myself Raviraj, and I just graduated with ITM degree.
Hi, my name is Rugved and I am from Pune, and I also graduated with Information Technology and Management degree in this month.
Hi, I'm Akshay and I finished my Master's in System Engineering and Management.
Awesome. So about 2 years ago, you guys started to prepare to come to America, right?
Yes.
Summer of 2016.
Mm-hmm.
Do you guys remember even what that was like, or is that too long ago now?
No, we don't.
I still remember, yeah.
Okay, good. You guys have some fresh memories.
Yeah.
You guys have some good ideas. And so, yeah, tell us, looking back, what were things that were helpful that you did that were packing? What are things you would have done differently? Mm-hmm. What are the new, people coming for fall 2018 international students? What tips can you give them to prepare to pack better and utilize their luggage space?
Yeah, for us we had like British Airways student offer, so we could bring 3 check-in bags.
Okay.
So we got a lot of stuff, and we thought like couple of things that we shouldn't have got, and that would be fine, like stationery, like Akshay said, and few other things like Bonvita, coffee. Those things you get cheaper here in Patel Brothers, that is an Indian grocery store nearby. But yeah, we should bring some ready-to-eat food like for first month, because for me, after coming here, I didn't had any accommodation for almost 15 days.
Okay.
So we were like 10 guys in one bed, one bath apartment. Yeah, so that was a nice experience for me. For like just a couple of nights, it was the thing.
Eating eggs every day.
Yeah, I was like eating whatever food I got ready to cook, or whatever nearby restaurants. I used to go Swadeshi a lot of times. Yeah, and yeah, that's it from me.
As you said, if you come by British Airways, you get 3 check-in bags and 1 cabin bag, and you can put 23 kgs even in the cabin bag, and 1 backpack as well. So you have to carry 5 bags with you, and that's a huge thing. And you get to bring a lot of things. So
you should do some gymming beforehand.
yeah,
right?
definitely. And when you come to US, the cards are not free. You have to pay $5 for the cards, which are free in India.
Yeah.
So,
Well, they're free everywhere else except America. So be prepared.
So be prepared, yeah. And choose your airline wisely. And
Which airlines are good for students?
at our time, it was British Airways, because they allowed so much of luggage to carry with you.
Okay.
Qatar.
Yeah, and
Qatar, yeah. I
Okay.
came by Qatar, so even they allow 3 bags.
Okay.
But the cabin bag is 7 kgs.
Yeah, 7.
7 kgs.
Okay.
Yeah.
So make sure you research and
Yeah.
Yeah.
all the details.
They still have that offer for students.
And it could change every year.
Yeah, it changes, so you have to keep checking.
So what were some things that you were really glad that you did pack and bring that you're like, oh yes, I needed that? Let's talk about that first.
Okay, so I have a habit of drinking tea, and when I came here, Patel Brothers, it was not accessible for me in the first month. So I was glad that I brought some tea. And don't try to bring rice or sugar, because the white particles are not allowed. So avoid those particles. And bring as much as ready-to-eat food as you can, so that you can survive at least 15 days without the groceries.
What are some examples of that? Ready to eat?
You get Suhana Kappa Poha in India, and you just have to put them in hot water and it gets ready. Bring 2-3 packets of Maggi, and maybe like the paneer butter masala, and just the food which you can heat it up and start eating. So
Okay.
Yeah.
Like ready to eat stuff. Yeah. Or like homemade that has been just cooked, and so that you just add water and it's ready. So like homemade stuff like khichdi or something. That's helpful initially.
Okay.
Yeah.
Also
Maybe
bring-
like rotis that can sustain for maybe a week or 10 days.
Yeah.
Even that's good.
Some freshly packed rotis or something.
Yeah.
and try to bring steel utensils, because you get tired of eating in the plastic plates. So at least try to bring 1 steel plate which you can eat in regularly, because we are used to eating in steel
Yeah.
utensils in India. So
We even brought some of those back from India. We like
Yeah.
those too. The metal plates and cups and yeah.
Yeah, also bring some sweets for seniors or friends like Rob who will come to pick you up from the airport. So
Yeah.
don't forget them as well.
Yeah.
You can bribe the people.
But these guys will help you
Yeah.
when you come here. So consider that.
Everyone likes some fresh sweets from India.
Yeah.
Definitely. That's good.
And take insurance for your baggages, because sometimes they get lost or they are late. And a friend of mine got her bag after 12 days when she arrived here. So if she had taken an insurance, she would have got easily about $600 to $700 for that.
Okay, so you would
she
recommend
didn't-
that?
Yeah. So please buy insurance. It's only about 1,500 rupees, I guess.
Okay.
So it's highly recommended.
Yeah, when it's all your important things,
Yeah.
you want it taken care of. That's good. So we talked about important things that you're glad you brought. Now, what are things that you brought and you're like, I could have got that here, it's cheaper here, or don't waste the space on this?
Stationery.
that,
Okay.
that you don't need here.
Bring scientific calculator.
Okay.
I recommend that. And
No need to bring 5 to 6 notebooks.
Uh-huh.
Just one is enough, I guess.
yeah, you get like
Yeah.
25 cents in Walmart.
Yeah. And so much is digital here too.
Yeah.
Exactly, everything.
Everything's PDFs or online or, yeah.
And also, I guess, like bowls or stuff, no need to bring lots of them, because there's Dollar Tree and stuff. Because we got bowls from like Dollar Tree and we still are using it, it's fine.
Okay.
So
some of the basic cutlery
basic
you can get.
utensils, like, and those are so good that like those are microwavable, so you can use it in microwave.
Yeah.
So I think that also saves a lot of weight and space. So.
Yeah. Any cooking items that people need to bring from India, which you can't get here or are better to bring from India?
You get everything
Yeah,
here. So.
actually, yeah.
Okay.
Everything, yeah.
But just don't forget to bring medicines, like the basic ones like crocin or paracetamol, so that if
Those
you-
are way cheaper in India.
yeah, way cheaper, and you can easily get it. That's not the case here. So just that's it.
And
Some-
special medicines for teeth.
if you have any.
Yeah.
Yeah, any
Dental problems.
prescriptions or.
Yeah.
That's good.
So,
What do you have a story about that, Akshay?
yeah. I do have. Let's not talk about.
Okay, that's okay. You learned the hard way, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's cool. Great. Any other advice on packing, or like how to coordinate as roommates?
Yeah, if you have decided your roommates before coming here, it's easy for you to distribute the utensils, because we decided to bring pressure cookers for, like, everyone was going to bring a pressure cooker before coming here, but we scrapped that idea and distributed the utensils among ourselves. So he didn't bring a pressure cooker.
So like it's easy, and you can get other essential stuff if you have distributed the utensils, distributed the eating stuff as well. Like if suppose one person is getting some instant khichdi or something, the other one can get rotis for everyone, so you can distribute that stuff.
Share.
Share, yeah.
Just make sure you get along with your roommates.
Yeah.
Otherwise, yeah.
Then you can make it
Someone
team
uses
effort.
It's
Yeah.
very important to get along with your roommates.
That's great. Good ideas, guys. Man, I learned a lot. So thank you so much. Thanks for sharing, the things that you guys have learned, and hope it's helpful for you guys. We'll see you guys next time at Chai and Coaching. Thanks so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Pack well.
Bye. All the best.
Hey friends, thanks for joining us again at Chai and Coaching. Hope this will help you to be successful as an international student here in America. Please subscribe, like, follow, share, comment below or on our other platforms online, and continue the conversation. Help each other out. So yeah, it was great having you join us at Chai and Coaching, and we'll see you guys next time.